Yeah, so the summary of the whole thing is, let them get a coach that can take them by the hand and lead them, and also be willing to do the work.
Okay, all right. So that's it. They're willing to do the work, and I'm sure from everything that we've talked about white labeling, private labeling, drop servicing. We've also talked about SaaS, yes, which is software as a service. So we've talked about that as well, and we touched on affiliate marketing. And guess what? We still have like 2 more to go, but then we've got to go on the program for today. Thank you so. Yes, we have commercials. Thank you so much, Faith, for coming through on the program. All right, till we come your way next week, God willing, on Tech Talk on Splash 106.7 FM to talk more about information and communication world. Do have a lovely weekend. I remain Miriam Ogremi. Bye for now.